Using multimeter. Function of multimeter. Multimeter is the most common tool used to measure voltage, current and resistance in vehicle electrical systems. The multimeter described in this section is digital, which is the most common type used in the workshop. Multimeter sockets. 3 sockets are used for various measurements with the multimeter. One of the sockets, marked COM, is common for all measurements. The connection socket used for voltage and resistance and other measurements is usually separate from the socket used for measurements of current. This avoids the mistake in its operation and damage to multimeter. Precautions before use. Please remember that the connection of the multimeter to the circuit depends on the intended type of measurement. Always follow the instructions given in the user manual when using the multimeter. Select the type of measurement before using the multimeter, that is, volts, amps or ohms. When measuring volts and amps, care must be taken to check whether the supply is AC or DC. Most automotive electric circuits have a DC power supply. However, some sensors give AC voltages output, for example, vehicle speed sensor. After selecting the type of measurement, select the measuring range. Care must be taken to select a range large enough to display the quantity being measured. If the range selected is too small, the multimeter can get damaged. In case of doubt, the largest possible range should be selected initially. After finding the measurement range, a smaller range can then be selected. Voltage measurement. To measure voltage, the multimeter is always connected in parallel to the voltage source or to the component across which voltage is to be measured. Connect positive terminal of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the voltage source and negative terminal of the multimeter to the negative terminal of the voltage source. For example, if the voltmeter is connected to a fully charged battery, it displays approximately 12.6 volt. Within an electrical circuit, the positive connector should be connected to the part of the circuit that is closer to the positive terminal of the voltage supply, and the negative connector should be connected to the part of the circuit that is closer to the negative terminal of the voltage supply. For example, V is the voltage measured when multimeter is connected across whole circuit. V1 is the voltage measured when multimeter is connected across component 1. V2 is the voltage measured when multimeter is connected across component 2. Current measurement. Disconnect the battery negative cable. To measure current, the multimeter should be connected in series. It is important to connect the multimeter with correct polarity. In digital multimeter, incorrect polarity is indicated by a minus sign in the display. Current can be measured from the positive or negative side of battery or circuit. But it is always safe to measure current from the negative side of battery or circuit. Resistance measurement. While measuring resistance, no current should be passing through circuit. This can damage the multimeter. Always use suitable lead wires to connect multimeter with connector terminals. This prevents any possible damage to the connector terminals. Multimeter contains a battery which supplies a constant voltage to the circuit during resistance measurement. When measuring an individual resistance in a complex circuit, ensure that the resistance is isolated or removed. If not, the measurement will include other resistors present in the circuit. Diagnosing open series circuit. In an open series circuit, no current flows as the only path between the positive and negative terminals of the power supply is broken. This means that there will be no voltage drops across the resistors in the circuit. Multimeter can be used to find break in the circuit. Place the negative terminal of the multimeter on a good ground and place the positive terminal at different points on the circuit. Move from the positive terminal towards the negative terminal. The open point in the circuit will be between the last point where the voltage reading is 12 volt and the first point where the voltage reading is 0 volt. Diagnosing unwanted resistance in series circuit. Multimeter can be used to find unwanted resistance in a series circuit. This can be due to corrosion or loose connection in the circuit. Place the negative terminal of the multimeter on a good ground and place the positive terminal at different points on the circuit. Move from the positive terminal to the negative terminal. The high resistance in this circuit will be between the last point where the voltage reading is approximately 12 volt and the first point where the voltage reading is very low. A high resistance can also be checked directly with multimeter. Resistance in a wire and connectors should be less than 5 ohms. Ensure that while checking resistance, the circuit is off. Diagnosing current drain in series circuit. Multimeter can be used to find current drain. The current drain happens when an unwanted short circuit to the ground exists in the circuit. This causes the battery to discharge after a period of time even when the ignition is off. To find the current drain, put the ignition off and turn off all accessories. Disconnect the battery negative cable. Place the multimeter between the battery negative terminal and the negative battery cable. In case of a current drain, the multimeter will show current flow. A reading more than 0.05 to 0.1 amperes is undesired. To find the source of the current drain, remove and refit the fuses one by one. If the current flow stops, the circuit supplied by that fuse contains the fault. It is also possible to find out the circuit causing current drain. To do so, remove the fuses one by one and connect the multimeter in series between the fuse terminals. The circuit showing excessive current flow contains the fault. If the fault is not diagnosed by pulling all fuses one by one, the current drain should be checked by disconnecting circuits that are connected directly to the battery, such as the alternator field coil, the starter solenoid, theft alarm or remote locking system,